How to use your router to kick people off your Wi-Fi. Sometimes people may delay to do some payment to your Wi-Fi and you don't want to change your password. I will show you how to do it in a few steps to prevent them from using your Wi-Fi. Type 192 full stop 168 full stop 0 full stop 1 or 192 full stop 168 full stop 0 full stop. That is 1 full stop and then 1 in your browser. Then log in. So you need to have created that account so that you can log in using your email. Then you can see that option. Select key, click there, then uncheck there, then make sure you click OK to save the changes. To unlimit the guy, just click unlimit, then make sure you click OK to save the changes. Then you can refresh and request the guy who was kicked off to open their Wi-Fi and again try to log in. So after you kick them off your Wi-Fi, they cannot log in into your Wi-Fi no matter what until you unlimit them again. So they cannot use your Wi-Fi. So the number of users is back to 7 and the guy who was kicked off is now back. Thanks. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel.